Okay, so this is our problem. First, we have to distribute. So 5 times h equals 5 h. And 5 times 13, I have to move that plus, because that's a positive. That'll be 65. Got it. So 5h plus 65 equals 85. Got it. So, let me erase this one thing real quick. Okay. So, first, we have to draw a line. And we have to cancel out that 65, so we can just have 5h. So you would have to minus 65. Okay, so that'll cross out that. Then you have to minus 65. That would equal 20. Okay, so 5h h equals 20. Got it. So, since we are multiplying that 5 by that h, we have to divide that by 5 to make it just the h, because that 5 would cancel out that 5, so we just have h, because 5 divided by 5 equals 1, and we don't want 1s, so we just have h. H equals 5 divided by 20, and 5 divided by 20 equals 4. So, now, h equals 4. Okay.